Which is better, being in a relationship or being single? I found out that I was my boyfriend's best friend and his best friend was his girlfriend. Is it reasonable to break up with someone because you feel they like sex too much?
She made a request. Please help me tell my boyfriend that I'm low-key
angry.
Boyfriend,
she's
angry.
angry.
Yeah. Sorry.
What does that mean?
Bend low, me I like you, my baby, bend low. Drop top for me, baby, get low. Your body put a man on the darrow. I don't want nobody else but you, though. Bend low, baby, get me bend low. Me I like you, my baby, bend low.
Blossom, Bubbles, and Buttercup.
Dance Venus, me I like a woman with some confidence.
Hi friends, so in today's video I asked you guys to send me questions and things you want advice on basically, and you guys actually sent, so thank you. And alongside that we're going to be doing a mukbang, and if you don't know what that is, what's a mukbang?
You eat food.
A video where we'll be talking and we'll be eating basically. Is that all?
It's Korean.
So I'm going to put the definition on the screenshot just in case. So first question, which is better, being in a relationship or being single? You guys should answer first before I answer. I have my answer very robust. So which one is better?
As I'm currently single, being single is better. When I get in a relationship,
You'll be happy?
Yeah, I'll be happy.
I think it depends on the phase of life you're in.
Deep.
Like, you might feel like you want to be in a relationship now, or well, and you might feel like you want to be single now.
You guys, she's in a relationship, that's why she's single.
That's why she's
But
That's why it mattered alone.
But see, they know that when I wasn't in a relationship, I was living my best life.
Fact,
Not
sis.
that I'm in a relationship, I'm also living my best life. That's why I just say it depends on what you want to do. So whatever you are in, you feel like
I think they're both pretty nice. 50-50. They both have their pros and their cons. Yeah. So I don't mind being in either. What?
for excellent.
Yeah, I really don't mind being in either one.
Sorry.
Right now, I'm single and I love it to stupor. Alright.
You're supposed to zoom in on me because I don't give you some way.
No, I'm serious. I really don't mind because being in a relationship is very stressful. You have to be very dedicated, and I really don't have that in me right now. But when I'm in a relationship, you get all in. So I really don't mind either.
Because relationship actually take work.
A lot of work.
Yeah. So that's why I say you have to choose which one. Don't find yourself in a relationship.
But relationships can be sweet.
Oh my god.
Did we answer that question? Next one. She says that she sent a comment actually. He's always talking about his ex.
Auntie.
Leave him. Let him go back.
I don't understand. As far as his friend and he's talking about his
Leave him. That's good. Not really a question.
No, I need
She
to
was not
understand.
specific.
Just
I
like,
need to understand. Are you the friend and he's just shining you, or are you a new girl?
Or was he insulting her?
no, if she's saying that means
She's
no,
the
but they're
babe.
like, oh my god, I love her, my baby. She used to do this. She used
Must
to
be
do that.
crap.
Go back to her now. That's really straightforward. Not too much about it. Leave him. Thank you. End it.
Don't leave him. Okay, stop. Sorry, I was listening. That's why I did not talk. I think that's it. Not toxic, but then that's like the I don't have time for this like kind of reply that you give. But in all reality, relationships take work, like you said before. So tell him first, communicate, not anger or not anything, but communicate it first. Then, depending on how he replies, then you now decide if you're going to leave him. Depending on how he replies, then you decide if you're going to leave him or not. Basically.
This person is asking, when do you know a babe is actually down for you?
You won't be asking this question
When
if
she
she
buys
was
me
down for
PS5.
you. You won't be asking this question if she was down for you.
No. She'll actually be down for you and you won't know.
How do you know that that's true?
You won't be. That's what I'm saying.
Wait,
You won't know.
these questions are actually people's problems.
Yes, no. Anonymous.
Yeah. Sorry.
But that's actual
She's not
fact.
down for you, bro.
You get. If you have
out.
to ask this question, she's not down for you.
I'm
Or
so sad.
she see the reason now. Because if she was very sure, you will not
You
have
will know.
to. That's why I'm always confused when guys say, why don't girls shoot their shot? Girls shoot their shot.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Oh my
sorry.
god.
I swear. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh my god.
But if she did,
Can you
know.
see example of women's wickedness? One woman does not want you. The women are asking for advice. They are slandering. Okay.
But that's just it.
So what are you telling him to do though? Should he keep trying?
No, he said, how will you know? That's the question I'm answering. I don't know if he wants to keep trying.
I don't think
Oh, well,
you will know all these signs and looking for this and that. These were too grown for that. If she likes you, you will know. She probably just does.
She probably has a fat ass. That's why he's asking.
Bruh. Probably has a
fast pass. Next person said problem no dey finish. Oh, you're right. You're right.
Yeah, problem when you finish you.
We move.
Feel like
You know they have to start. This is funny. Is it reasonable to break up with someone because you feel they like sex too much, both genders? Nneoma, what does that even mean? What does that even mean? Like sex too much? What's that say? Like sex too much? I'm so.
Organizer.
Person say, is it reasonable to break up with somebody?
Please run for your life. Don't let them kill you.
I don't think so.
Your mom not give birth to you. Wait to become a plumber. Are you well that you're feeling up?
Better run, no.
Do you think it's reasonable though?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. What's that? Sorry, I can't keep up.
Once your energies are not matching, you leave now.
And now, it doesn't. One
it's turning
thing.
to yeah.
Dead.
So you guys are saying it's reasonable?
Yes, now.
What kind of stupid reason is this? Oh my god.
Stupid now.
So, I broke up with him because I think he likes sex too much.
Yeah, he wants to kill me. This is the video of that woman that ran out of the house during lockdown.
Yeah, that's what I said. Next one. I found out that I was my boyfriend's best friend and his best friend was his girlfriend. Relationship now.
Wait. Isn't that like a good thing?
I found out that I was my my boyfriend's best friend and his best friend was his girlfriend.
And my boyfriend. I'm finding out that I'm actually your best friend.
And me and she thought that I was
your own best friend is your girlfriend.
Girlfriend.
She said, I found out my boyfriend's best friend is his own girlfriend.
And me that I think I'm girlfriend though. I'm his best friend.
So he has two best friends
and two girlfriends.
That's a win-win now.
That's a what?
That's a win-win.
There's something called modern love.
What? Expatiate.
A polyamorous relationship.
Shut up.
Multiple partners. Calm. If you are down for it, it's calm. I'm bouncing, guys. I'm sorry.
That's our nonsense.
Wait. Did he tell you that he was her boyfriend?
But this person didn't even tell us. You didn't give us all this. Submit the full gist. Is the relationship open?
You just I'm trying to say there's something called modern love.
What is going on? Please, we can't work on this case file. Next.
She said, please help me tell my boyfriend that I'm low-key angry at the fact that he didn't get me anything for my birthday. Not even a card. Insert sad emoji. He knows how much of a sucker for birthdays I am. LOL. I was told to ignore, but I can't. Don't ignore for what?
I don't know, maybe
Fighting.
This year was tough.
Tell him. Just tell him.
Okay, tell him. It's not that easy. It's not that easy. You don't want somebody to feel bad.
But what if it was something he was doing back to back? Don't start an energy. Don't start a vibe you cannot maintain.
I'm very sure they haven't been dating for more than a year with the way she's talking. Because like if you've dated for 2 years and this is the second birthday is forgetting, you will not have anybody to tell you that
Tell him. I think she does.
But just make this
I really
dates are nothing but a human construct.
Sorry, excuse me, what did you say? Try to miss my own birthday, sure.
That's the thing, don't miss my own birthday, are you crazy?
But I don't know, I really think I guess tell him.
Tell him. Since you're clearly upset, like you carry it here. Tell him.
I don't know, true.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Yeah.
I don't know, also understand, because Corona, nobody could work, nobody was collecting pocket money, everybody just, also understand.
She made a request, please help me tell my boyfriend that I'm looking
angry.
Boyfriend, she's angry.
She did para.
Please buy her something.
As in card from pharmacy self do.
Thank you.
100 naira.
Next one. My breakup story, my situationship, girl and girl. She said she ended things with me because she had a girlfriend, but the most shocking part. But the most shocking
I want to go to school again. 36.
But the most shocking and annoying part is everything started when she was already in a relationship. Scum. That's what's there.
Do you get?
Sorry now. But it has finished.
No wait, like
Relationship has ended.
True. I don't know if you guys
Move on
get.
now. We get.
She was with a babe. The babe she was with was already in a relationship.
Yeah.
But she was also doing the babe.
Yeah.
So the babe is not telling her that, oh, I don't want to do again, because I'm in a relationship.
Yeah, maybe the relationship got closed.
She's not saying
It was
she's
probably
annoyed
open before.
because the babe was already in a relationship before. So why is she not telling her now that?
She knew she was in a relationship before.
Yes.
So now she
She's
will
not
not
confused,
confuse
like,
a
why
babe
is the
that's
guy-
in a relationship, and then the babe is not saying, oh, I don't want to do it again because I'm still in a
Do you get the babe was already in a relationship when they met. The babe is not breaking up with her because she's in that same. Do you get? She's in that same relationship.
The
Do you understand?
relationship got.
That's what I'm saying. They don't need you anymore.
They don't need
Moving
you.
on.
Just move outside. Simply.
They don't need you anymore. They close shop.
Next question.
Don't you think it's insane for the person you are dating to want an open relationship?
It's not insane. If you're not down with it, just say you're not down with it. Don't say it's insane.
Like
Like-
small play. Insanity where? Because I suggested something.
Like,
Wow. Small play, insanity.
if you're not down with it, just say you're not down with it. But don't invalidate other people's
Simple
opinions.
no. Simple yes or no. Are you telling me or you're not?
You're not calling.
Oh my God,
No, actually, I'm dating you. I said, have you had an open relationship? Are you mad?
What do you mean? Are you?
And
mad?
you say no.
Wait, See, this is why niggas get cheated on, and then when you find out, you have no right to be angry because one will be trying to tell you their opinion, but you are.
You are blockaded.
Like you get
feel
because
that
it's not
no.
what you are used to. It's not be like, oh no, dead. It's if you don't want to say no, but then don't cancel somebody.
If our husband should say now that he wants open relationship, what would
And I will say no
Yes, now because she does not want
because
it.
I don't want it, not because it's
you will not
crazy.
be offended?
No, she will ask him why now.
Like you get, I will have a conversation
See,
about
this thing
it.
is not black and white.
It's not like everybody should do the same thing, but it's just that
If he
respect
gives a
person's
solid
opinion.
enough reason.
See, you don't have to give me a reason. Say okay, I've reached this point right now. This is what I want to do.
You don't do it for me.
Relax. It's not about you. That's the thing. This like I don't understand. You're dating another human being that has their own lives, their own beliefs, their own thinking.
Yeah.
So this person should come to you like, oh, I'm at this point in my life where, I really feel like I want to have an open relationship. Respect that.
It's been fine, but you just said it takes more work.
Yeah.
Even open relationship take more work
No,
than.
yeah, they definitely feel like you need to trust the person. So like if you're not down for it, just say you're not down for it. But then don't step on someone else's beliefs. Not beliefs, sorry. Opinions and like you get what they want to do.
This one is a very serious one. Person said, what's your take on chastity? Chastity, that's pronounced it. Chastity before marriage. No. What's your take on chastity till marriage? Please do not ignore.
Chastity, being celibate.
I don't think anything.
Personally, I think it's a personal journey.
Yeah.
Celibacy is a personal journey. You don't have to ask us. So you might try to get educated on why you are being celibate or whatever. But personally, I'm not religious. So if your religion suggests chastity to your marriage, fine. There's no problem with your religion. But I'm talking scientifically. If you have reasons for staying celibate. You should learn more, but it's a personal journey. That's what I have to say.
I was going to say that whatever our take, doesn't really matter because we all already know that if you want to go religious wise, you already know the answer to the question. If you want to go personal journey wise, you know the answer to the question. But it's a thing of what do you want to do, I guess.
And I feel like if you decide to be celibate, and I'm religious, so just for like background.
Yeah, same.
I feel like if you decide to be celibate, don't do it for religion. I know. I honestly feel like you should do it for yourself. Don't do it for religion.
But personally speaking, no, please, I don't do it. Thank you.
No, but
Celebration.
I truly believe like if you decide that I want to keep my body to myself and I want to just make sure I'm a committed, like dead ass committed, ring on my finger.
There's
honeymoon, no
imbalance. If you choose celibacy, if you choose to be
active,
sexually active,
but I'm just saying,
no
like,
gain, there's no loss.
For the fact that if you choose to be
anyhow.
celibate, like you can do either one. It's your life. Life is really
There's no gain,
so
there's no
that
loss.
do whatever
That's
you
what I
want.
believe.
But if you choose to be celibate, I personally think that doing it because of religion shouldn't be it.
I think the other way. That's one way. That's one thing we both do not agree on till today.
Yeah, that's one.
We're both religious here, but she believes that being celibate is based on.
No, not like it's based on.
No,
It's
you
in the
feel
Bible
like-
and all
you
that
feel
other
like
stuff.
It's your journey. You should not be just because Christianity says do not trigger. That's how you feel.
Yeah.
And I feel that the only reason is because.
Okay, for you, yeah.
That's the only.
But I
reason.
just feel like if you're doing it for religion, you're doing it out of fear.
Yeah,
You're doing it out of fear.
exactly.
Like, do you understand?
Real. Now let me.
No, we're not done.
That's
now.
all.
Can I talk?
Talk.
They can ask you.
Yeah,
You're being.
Are you still recording?
yeah,
You're being celibate
yeah,
because of religion.
yeah,
You're committing other sins.
yeah.
Like, you get what I'm saying?
That doesn't mean
Separate
I have to tick every sin off.
It makes no difference. It's the same effort.
Why don't I start killing people?
Sorry,
now?
I'm so sorry.
It makes no
I'm so
difference.
sorry.
So why
Don't-
would you
don't-
want
I get
to
your-
do
Don't
that?
compare it
True,
that
true,
way.
true.
Why
I
should
get
you
your
compare?
point, and let me not ask you in a way that does not seem like I'm attacking you, but
Yeah.
you're choosing to be celibate because it's a sin.
Yeah.
Oh, you're committing a sin.
But you're committing other sins.
Yes.
So I don't get
And you know that
There's
according
no
Trying
to
our
difference.
best now.
True,
Not
true,
to
true.
commit more
And
sins.
That's why I
according-
have to tick off every sin.
I'm
Trying
saying,
our best.
I'm
Like,
saying,
don't finish all these sins now.
I'm
It's
saying.
not me she should finish all the
Oh
sins
my God,
because she already said, okay, this one is a sin I can handle.
Excuse me.
A sin I can handle. I can stop myself from killing someone.
Excuse me.
She can handle celibacy, okay,
You're not
I can
getting-
stay celibate.
You're not
as a
getting.
sin,
You're
but
not,
she can lie.
Hold on.
He knows what. Let me tell you the truth. Religion is very wishy-washy.
Yeah.
People can
People only
easily.
pick what suits
Do you
them.
get? Do you understand? That's why
People only
if
pick
you're
the parts that they're comfortable with.
That's why if it's your body,
Yeah.
you shouldn't do it based on everybody's telling you. Do you know what I'm trying to
That's
say? I'm
very
never trying to
valid.
bash
No, I
religion.
get what
You
you're
know how
saying.
I'm very like, but then
Yes.
just if
If you decide that you want to be active, please be safe, Sha.
yeah, please be
Alex.
safe. And I don't know how
Alex.
people don't get their partners tested. You just see man, you fuck, you move, nigga.
Alex, what is your take on situationships?
Like, what's your
What do you
thing?
feel about situationships?
I'm having deja
What do
vu
you
right
mean?
now.
It's like asking what's your take on voting.
What's your date? What's your take on like
Would you be in a
gays and
situationship?
lesbians? Like
Would
it's
you be in a
just
situationship?
Would I be in a relationship?
if it
Depends on what the
is.
situation is now.
I think if it is.
What if I borrowed you my kidney? My dad's my kidney or something, and we now broke up. See a situationship now.
It's
I can't
in
leave my
now.
kidney here.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So that got out of pocket. Fast.
No, I don't mind the
But that question is vague. Sorry. That's why.
No,
I
it's
gave-
not. I get what the person is trying to say. You know how people think now, like the whole you're either in a relationship
or not.
or you're in a
You can be in the
situationship or you have a friend.
It's not black and white. There are grey areas still. You don't have to define it.
Yeah, true. Okay.
I don't say anything wrong.
No,
Or
bro,
it's-
don't
or-
define
or-
shit.
or-
If you want
or
vibes, just
it's
go
just
with
vibes
vibes.
and inshallah.
Fact.
And if you're calm with it, be calm with
You
it.
can't with it. It's not even that serious.
Like I don't
But
think. I keep saying
define whatever vibes you are having.
No,
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying.
As
A
far-
situationship is
Are
you know what
do you know you're in it? You have to know that you're in a
Nigga,
situation.
no, that's what a situationship is. People are just vibing. Nobody's saying anything about what it is.
But-
That's what.
But,
That's literally
but
what a
when
situationship
nobody's saying anything, manipulation can enter.
is. That is what
That's
a
when you now be
situationship
thinking
is.
that one person is
Have you ever
somebody's
seen a
boyfriend.
situationship that has ended well?
No.
No, because nobody's
You know what
talking.
I get yourself into.
Yeah, nobody's saying it. At a point,
Sure.
I'm pretty sure at a point, like each person just be like, yeah, I'm vibing with this person, but and then you might not be into what are we, and I'm like, nah, then it's,
Then one person is like, I don't want anything to do with this person. Sha.
yeah,
So,
and then no situationship will end well
it's
because
very
nothing is
messy.
defined.
Except you have the energy and strength for that. Good luck to you.
So what's best to say?
Engage.
What is your
Yeah,
take on situationship? I think people need to realize that there's no rule. There's no rule like, oh, everybody should agree that this is right. If it does live your life, man.
You
If
can
you
find
deal with it,
yourself
do it,
cool,
man.
but no, it's not going to end well, Sha. Sorry.
Actually.
Good luck to you. Next one. How would you? This one is story. How would you feel if you and your partner had made plans to see, but on the day you were meant to see, something came up, hindering you from going, but you want to call and apologize, just to find out your partner is with the opposite sex? What's funny? Wait.
I'm sorry. Opposite sex of you, or opposite sex of your partner.
Of your partner.
Okay, sorry.
As for you guys were meant to see.
Wait, what do you mean? What the? What's this one asking? What's the difference? You are with the opposite sex of it.
If it's on you, that's not.
So you're saying that we're meant to link up, but you did not know that I was going to cancel.
Yeah.
But you already booked another
Backup appointment.
Ah, bro.
You be things.
Bro. But that how would you feel if you and your partner had made plans to see, but on the day you all are meant to see, something came up hindering you from going, but you want to call and apologize just to find out your partner is out with the opposite sex. We're meant to go out.
Yeah.
And I'm not calling you that, oh my God, I can't make it, but you find out that, oh, person I'm meant to
like,
want to,
okay.
I've already gone out with somebody else.
How does she know he has gone with somebody else?
That's what they're saying here
How
now.
does she know?
Oh, it's a guy that sent it though.
Can you not imagine?
She's shitting.
It's bad.
She said already.
Okay, so I did not know that there was another message on that. I said, alright, chill, I'm in a relationship. Can't the guy ask where she went? So it's a guy that is asking.
Yeah, you can't swear she went.
Wait.
So, but the girl cannot ask.
No,
Did
chill
I say
now.
that?
Oh my God, chill. We just found out.
finished.
We just found out that it's a guy that's asking the questions. And guess what? This person's first instinct was to say. The girl is
I
cheating.
didn't want, obviously, I didn't want.
The girl
But
is
it goes both ways actually. You cannot judge me. I would never jump into conclusion.
But
Because
so
I
what's
really
there? What
I think he's very valid because he's wondering if we had plans and you did not know the plans were cancelled.
Why did you
I'm just calling you to tell you that the plans are cancelled and you already have
with somebody else.
with you. Like that's
You
a
have
valid
every
thing
right
to
to be upset.
Chike, that's a
You have
valid
every
thing to
right
worry
I'll
about.
get upset with you.
You have every right to
I don't
be
think
upset.
upset is the word, more like confused.
I'll just ask you, how did you end up with this place? Let me hear
It's
first.
quite bizarre.
How did you end up with
That's when you catch
See,
them
think-
in a compromising situation too. That's when you can be angry.
Angry,
Yes.
but that's why I say upset is not the right word. Just be like, how?
How?
Like how?
How? Like,
But all this wahala, please just stay single. All this wahala is not good.
Catch your crew.
Coming from
What month is this?
December.
December. By next year December, these people will be in relationships. And that's just
Just
facts.
like that.
sit down.
please let's bet on YouTube now. Please.
On YouTube. Oh my God, that'll be so much. What's
Thank
today's
you very
date?
much. Bet on
December
YouTube. Next year,
Today is the
December.
9th of December.
By this time next year.
Yes. They will go have people to bring to my birthday parties.
That's crazy. That's
I'm
so
very sure.
She's changing mouth now. She said it's relationship. It's not the same thing. I can
Oh,
bring anybody to
okay.
any
Yeah,
party.
you're right.
Cap.
Being in relationships.
We'll
Yes.
see to them. It's been so much.
So what's the wager? What
I will sponsor the mukbang of that period. To talk about how you are in the relationship.
Wow, I love that. That's
But if I'm
If I'm in
wrong,
that relationship, I owe you 100K.
facts.
Like that.
Facts.
This is on record.
okay.
No problem.
Love that. Okay.
Dance finesse, me I like a woman with some confidence. Finger licking body that's a preference.